Okay, this is going to be a review of my, I just bought these for $5. These are mp3 speakers. What's special about these is they're vivitar, so they're not very good quality. I give the company credit for trying, but, these kinda suck. My honest opinion, I do not recommend these. They're not really good, speakers. They don't sound good. They're very quiet. Here, let me try to, find something safe, and that I can test this with. I don't know if I can find anything. I know. I'll just do a recording of my voice. How's that? Start voice recording. Start voice recording. It's starting. It's playing. No way. Yeah. But, really, I don't know. When this gets done, you'll see they're not very good. So, you might want to consider not buying these, because they're not very bassy, and this receiver, it's got, on, off, and amp. And for amp, the light turned on, but it doesn't. Okay, it's off now, see? Right here. See if we can tell. That's on, off, and amp. Okay. On. It's on. Okay, yeah, it's on. But there's no light. And it's very, very quiet. I'm gonna end this recording. No! Save recording, yes. Saved. Recording library. Start voice recording. It's starting. It's playing. No way. See how quiet that is? That's on. But when I put it on amp, I don't know. When this gets done, you'll see they're not very good. So, you might want to consider not buying. They're not very. Do you see what I mean? They're not very good at all. I've had about don't just go out, rush out and buy these. There are another model that are thinner. They run on one AA battery, but I don't think that's a difference at all. Just if you need an MP3, if you need speakers, and you're just a person who doesn't want to crank their music and doesn't like bass, who doesn't love bass? That's just wrong for nobody not to like bass. But these would be a great pair of speakers for you. And why? Oh, why? For the heaven sakes of Vivitar to do this. These legs, you can put these on, and they lock into place, so they won't go anywhere. But it specifically says it in the manual. Once these are attached, they can never come off. Okay, that's horrible. I'm gonna take these back. These stink. These are the worst speakers I've ever. No offense, Vivitar, but really, they're not really good. They're you need to work on them. They're not dear company. You do need to work on these. Make them have more bass, more power. Fix the volume adjuster. Cause that's what I thought when I previously bought. When I bought these, I thought, oh, amp. It's probably just louder. Yep, I was. Yeah, it's on. Huh? There was no sound until I messed with it a little bit. They're not very good. Don't buy them. Don't. I'm not doing really good at this, so this is about it. So I will catch you next time. Phillips.